Now you try. The remaining branches from the tracks. Abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. New roof and windows. Clock. Place. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the timber loader. Look at the color of the tank. Pump. Keep up the good work. This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. Now you try. Let's send the train to the depot. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Look at the figure on the screen and choose the door of the right shape. Tap on the arrow on the control panel to head for the right door. We need to assemble the dressing. Done! Now let's load the empty bags on Keep Up the Good Work. Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. Let's wash the dressing. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rust. Ready. Run the washer over the machine and clean up the rest of... We need to assemble the minecart. Amazing! Now let's load the materials into the... Don't stop! We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. Keep it up. Let's assemble a garbage car. You're doing really great. Let's mark the containers in the garbage car. You're doing really great. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Let's weld a crack on the garbage. That's all. And now let's grind this to keep it up. To paint the stain, look at the cloud and install. Don't stop. We need to assemble the flat car. Keep up the good work. Now let's load materials for keep it up. Let's repair the railroad station. We need to wash the flat car. Don't stop. Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Keep it up. Now let's load the roof onto the crane. Done! Let's install new roof and windows. We need to send the train to the depot. This is not the right. Try once more. Choose the door of the right shape. Let's assemble the bucket lift. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the bucket lift. Pump. We did it! Let's install the station clock. We need to send the train to the depot.